Hello everyone, I'm back with an accessories video for your Apple Watch. I have the Apple Watch Ultra Series 1 and I want to give you my perspective on the leather link bands from Apple. They're actually OEM bands that I actually find, if you can get them on sale, to be well worth the price. This is going to be both an unboxing video and a long-term review because I just purchased this one on Woot. It's the Leather Link Black Midnight Band for $56.99 plus tax. So it came out to about $62 or so. And I've owned the Baltic Blue and the Sequoia Green for over a year for both of them. So this is both an unboxing of the black and the long-term review of the others. Now, again, I don't really purchase OEM products from Apple anymore because I feel like the quality has really fallen off over the last few years. I actually used to really enjoy the silicone cases for the phones, but now they chip really easily. The leather products are really horrible, in my opinion. But these, I think they actually hold up pretty well. And I haven't paid more than, I think I paid 40 for the Sequoia Green, maybe 49 for the Baltic Blue, and I just paid 56 for this one, the black. And the only reason I was willing to do it because they do actually hold up pretty well. So I've had Sequoia Green for a while. This is the Sequoia Green one. And, you know, I don't wear them every day. I wear them, well, actually I do. I switch them off, obviously. You know, they still hold up. There's no real severe wear on them. The magnets are really great. And here's the Baltic Blue. I get a lot of compliments when I wear the Baltic Blue with the Ultra watch. Okay, and again, I wear these quite often. I don't wear them to work out. When I work out, I actually prefer the fabric bands because I know you have to wash them if you work out with them. But they actually, I think, are more accurate with your vitals because you can actually tie it around your wrist in a way that's you know, gives you a good snug fit. Where I find the silicone workout bands are, while the quality is okay on them, they aren't a perfect fit for me. Like they always are either a little too loose or a little too tight. So to work out, I actually use these fabric bands because you can get a more accurate, in my opinion, you get a more accurate assessment of your vitals on the watch while you're working out and what have you. You just have to wash these, you know, if you work out with them, obviously, because they'll get stinky with all your sweat and everything. But these I actually wear just for casual work like wear, or even if I go out at night and just, you know, go to a little concert or something. And they're really nice. They're actually good quality. They hold really well. The magnets are really strong, so you never worry about them slipping. And actually, they are pretty solid in terms of giving you a pretty accurate assessment of your vitals because of the fact that you can link them in so many different places. And again, this is after a year of use. This one I probably haven't had quite as long. I believe about the Baltic Blue maybe about 8 months ago or so. It was also on Woot for pretty cheap. And again, this is the one I wear the most. So this actually has a little more wear on it, but it still looks and feels really nice. And the leather is good quality. I think of all the accessories they make for the watches now, I think these leather links are the best. Now, I don't know if they're going to continue to make them because I know they moved away from leather with some of the cases, but you know, I would snap them up while you can. For $59 or $56 for the black one here, I'm actually really looking forward to seeing what this looks like. So we're going to watch this together. But my overall assessment of them is, while they're pricey, I think they on Amazon you can get them for $89. You know, I don't know if I paid that much for them. I'm comfortable at around 50. And I'm not somebody who throws their money around, man. So if I'm saying I'm comfortable with it, you have my word that, you know, it's good quality. I don't throw my money around just to throw it around. So yeah, here's the black one here. So this is kind of what it looks like. And you can just peel it off there. So I got the large one. Now, obviously this was for the, I think the Series 7 or Series 8. I'm not really sure which, probably Series 7. But, you know, they fit all the different ones there. So this is brand new, right? So as you see, This is brand new. Quality, this is a year old. No, the green, it has the Sequoia green. And this is a year old here. All right, so 1 year of use, brand new. Yeah, so it's pretty solid. I almost feel like, yeah, this is actually a little, feels like this is a little heavier, but I don't know, that's interesting. And here's the top half of it in black. So yeah, I mean, I use the Ultra watch, so the Series 1 Ultra. I didn't get the Series 2. I didn't see much of an upgrade there other than the processor, which is a significant upgrade, but it's not an upgrade that I really need per se, at least not right now. So there's that. And then we'll go ahead and they snap into place so easily. That's the other thing, obviously, with these watches. So let me go ahead and pull in the passcode there real quick. And there you go. You just kind of place it there, see where it fits around your wrist. Kind of nice snug fit, and then yeah, and that's the black. This is what is it? Midnight Black, I believe it is called. Let me see here. It's the leather link. Yeah, Midnight Leather Link right there. Yeah, where's that? Yeah, Midnight Leather. You can kind of see it. It's hard to see in the camera there, but yeah, it's a really nice fit. You can get that, again, this black one here, Midnight, on Woot for $56.99 right now. And it just feels so nice. You know, even though these are a little worn, they still have that kind of nice worn feel. These are the quality of the old leather Apple cases where they would patina really well. They didn't chip at the corners. I've bought the new leather cases for the iPhones, and the quality is just horrible. It's really fallen off. But the old leather cases for the iPhones, you know, they would patina nicely, and it was actually real nice leather because you paid a lot for them, obviously. So again, I don't know if I paid $90 or $100 or whatever these go for, but for $59, $49, I think I got the Sequoia green for even like 40-ish on a sale through Best Buy, I believe it was. Maybe it was like 39 or something like that. You know, they're well worth it. And I've had, you know, I get a lot of compliments on them, especially the Baltic Blue. A lot of people like that with the Ultra watch. It looks kind of nice there. I'm definitely looking forward to wearing this black one. It's a little bit more, yeah, it's a nice look, right? So I recommend them. Again, I would get the sale, take advantage if you have a Woot account. Now, I don't know if everyone has Woot in their country, but it's basically owned by Amazon, so it's legit. And yeah, $56.99. So they regular retail at $90, it looks like. And it's a leather link band. It comes in 42, 44, 45 millimeters. Again, normally they're much more expensive. Now, would I pay $89 for them? I mean, I guess if I was, you know, throwing my money around, I had it like that, sure, why not? But personally, I don't think they're, you know, I'm okay at around 50, and they're often on sale. So, and you know how it is with Apple, like once the new products come in, the older products go out, the older colors go out, and you can start to get sales on the older colors. So that's the one good thing about, if you want to get original OEM stuff, you want to take advantage of some of those sales when the new ones come out. Anyhow, that's all for now. I recommend these links, these leather links. I think they're really nice watches and watch accessories, really nice watch bands. And if you can get your hands on some on the cheap, especially right now while there's some sales going on, I recommend them. Okay, well, that's all for now. Hope you're well. Hope your family's well. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.